Hello everyone, Sam is here from myfirstmagicweb.com, making this a small video about the CAD index and trades in CAD pairs according to the index. This is the CAD index 40-minute chart I made on the 17th December and gave it to my subscribers. This is the setup. This is like a Elliott wave and harmonic pattern together. How they work, it's like A, B, and then C. It's like 1, 2, 3. It will be followed by wave 4, wave 5, whatever. And also you can see it's a perfect calculation for a butterfly pattern. Okay, so this is what I said, must stay below 52.73. This will send GC, means pound CAD, EUR-CAD, USD-CAD, and Aussie CAD up. Why? Because if in the CAD index is dropping, then CAD, Canadian dollar, is getting weaker. And since in all these pairs it is on the right hand side, these pairs will go up. The only pair where the CAD is on the left hand side is, so far which I know, is CAD yen, because CAD is the weakest currency, and even yen. So CAD is even on the left hand side when it comes to yen. So it is the pair called CAD yen, and I said that will go down. Everything else, CAD, USD CAD, pound CAD, this and that, everything will go up with this drop here, right? So what happened to this chart is, as of today, it came down a little bit, then it bounced from this area, 51.73, then it went back to 52.73. I mean, look at these levels. These levels are the magic of this forex market, and it always, the price always travel in between them, and then from there it dropped straight down to this level, 50.99, bounced from here, a little retracement, and then again dropped straight to 50.54 and 127 fib extension, as I said that it will do in my previous chart. Here it is. See, the target was 50.54 and 127. Right, so we achieved that. So did I take any of these trades according to what I said here, according to this chart? Let's go take a look. So first trade, it was made on the 6th or 7th, right, December, and then look, at the same time I was going long because the pair was already going long, and look this. Okay, this was a long setup, and I saw it that it was already going fine. Thank you. So this is the one I took in a hurry, and it went all the way. This was another beautiful entry here, and this pair went up a lot. So this was one of the trade, and then in between I had small trades, but I couldn't save the copy. But today what happened is but after that on 18th, again EUR-CAD. This is after a retracement. This is again, you can see, beautiful long trade, and then it was expected, right? Expected. So now today what happened? USD-CAD. I took this entry earlier. This is not today. This is December 12th, and this is on the 19th, and this is the current one today on the 20th. Not a big one, but yes, what I'm showing is that this pair, as I said, was going up and giving you entries again and again and again. As I said, that all these pairs will go up. The only pair will go down was CAD yen. And look today what I did with CAD yen. Okay, it came down. There was a long short setup. This was a short setup. Well, I missed all of that. But today I says, okay, this is what I did already, and my chart is saying it, and it's gonna drop more, and the weekly chart was saying that it's gonna drop more. So I took it and never saw the SL hitting or anything, and then it just dropped very nice and clean. So this is the power of watching the indexes, because that help you give you, like, let's say so many trades at the same time. Then you have to pick and choose which one you want, or you can trade all of them if the index is moving. Now after this, I already showed you the Aussie index and my Aussie trades, including Aussie USD and Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie, in my previous video. The next video I'm going to show you that how I did today, how I did 3 yen pairs, Euro yen, Pound yen, and Aussie yen to the downside. Why? Because of the Aussie index chart that I made, that the yen is going to get strong. and all the yen pairs will be going down. Okay, and I saw this entries and I took them, and nice and clean, all those 3 trades went down. I'll make another video for that. So this is just about the CAD, and I'm making this separate video so that people can understand what it is and how it works. So I made the video for pound index and pound pairs when I traded the pound USD, pound Aussie, and pound CAD, and pound Newsy, all 4 trades, right? Based on the pound index when it was moving. So what happened is that time to time these indexes they move a little bit for some reason, or the reason is the news, right? And because of the news, currency move, and when the individual currency move, all the pairs involving that currency also move, and you literally have trades in hand, like multiple trades in hand, and then you can literally choose which one you want, which one is the best one. Okay, so this is how it works. So I hope you like it, and if you like the video, don't hesitate to press the like button and subscribe. Okay, thanks for watching and have a great day.